Can't.
How do you turn it off?
Turn it off!
Wait.
What?
Smoke detector.
There's nothing on fire?
No.
Okay.
It stopped. It's been silenced. Wow. Never expected to see that. Well, guys. It's over. The smoke detectors have stopped.
Again. I got first 3 times in a row. What the heck?
Well, the smoke detectors were going off, but everything's alright.
I know how to physics work.
Hey, that was the most eventful Clyde we ever had for the new year of the smoke detectors going off in my house. Yeah.
I said I was trying to begin to like the new year.
Yeah.
Everything started going on.
Yeah, the beep, beep, beep. Well, that is the most eventful Clyde we ever had. But no one was hurt. There was no fire.
I got the crown on my head online, Riley.
Everything's good, guys. I'll tell you what happened in another video. Why the smoke detectors went off. I'll tell you why. In another video. Alright? Hope you guys enjoyed this smoke detector going off, and that's it.